Assalomu alaykum aziz obunachilar. Sizlar bilan birlashuvchi akkaunt. Men bugun Svensa bilan o'yinni sizlar bilan ulashishni xohladim. Svensa bilan o'yinni ko'ramiz bugun. Ketdik. Mana hammani to'g'rilab olganman. Faqat bu yerda hozir hammasini bunga berishaman kerak. Mana sakladim. Ana bunda ketdi. O'yinga tushib kelishni ko'ryapsizlar. Men zo'r o'yin bo'ladi. Xudo xohlasa biz yutishga harakat qilamiz. Xudo xohlasa yutamiz. Mana ular bizning sostavimiz va ularning sostavi. Ular sostavi 4-2-1 4-2-3-1 Ketdi. Sahidiyon o'yinni boshlab berdi. Stewart, Widmer, Rashford to'pni oldi va maydon tashqarisiga chiqarib oldi. Rashford aldashga harakat qildi. Gaspar yuryapti. Vopa yaxshi. Campbell zo'r bitta joyga opa urdi.
He's taking the ball out wide.
Lekin ichkariga kiramiz deyapti. Krasniy yana. Nimaga Krasniy doim Max Rashford ikkinchi bor Krasniy olishi.
Is this a goal?
Chiroyli gol urib beryapmiz. Max Rashford chiqib ketgandan keyin Greg Stewart. Mana ko'rishinglar mumkin. Darvozabonni ustidan o'tkazib qo'ydi. Larkeche zo'r. Cameron zo'r. Orada bol bo'sh chiqyapti, lekin biz ham gol uryapmiz.
And it's anyone's bet which way this one will go now.
Sahidiyon. Bu yerda svobodniy udar. Cameron yapishadi.
He's on the move. They've taken it down the wing. It's opened up. Quality defending there. Senses a danger and gets it away.
Sahidiyon to'pni olardi, lekin
He failed to connect with that tackle. Good ball control.
Katta to'pchi bu Widmer. Vamos! Qanaqa gol bu? Bu Sahidiyondan Silva Widmer pas berdi unga. Assist. Chiroyli gol urdi. Chiqib ketayotgan joyda vau! Ketdik. Zo'r o'yin bo'ladi degan edimki, bu dahshat o'yin bo'ldi.
He's in control. He has a great from distance. Shot was high and over the bar. The replay will give us a closer look.
Ettik. Birinchi taym tugayapti o'zi. Stewart yana bitta gol urib chiqib ketsa zo'r bo'lardi. Lekin sporda tep qo'yishimiz ham mumkin, lekin Stewartga pas, Stewart Widmerga, Widmer
Well, an eventful first half here, with one team a player down. The other team will want to take in the second half.
O'yinchilarni hozircha tushiramiz. Bektro'ni qilsak yaxshi bo'ladi. Yerga Oniyaga tushdi va tepaga futbolchi yo'q. Ketdi.
And he plays the ball back. And he's won it back for his team.
Yana bitta zo'r. Yana bitta zo'r. to'pni yaxshi Sahidiyon. Hoppa.
Some aggressive tackles. The players look
Voy.
up for this one. The fans are on their feet.
Voy, nima
He's won the ball
qildi?
in the box.
Lekin mana bu zarba zo'r edi. Alan
Another look at that
Campbell tepgandi. Darvoza oldidan o'tib ketdi.
Headed forward.
Onyango Wanda. Uy. Bekor shu ishni qildi hozir yana bitta qizil bo'lishi mumkin.
This player is taking charge and moving down the flanks. What a well-timed tackle.
Yo'q. Campbell. Gaspar yo'q. Chiqmay qo'yar, chiq.
Oh, a chance now to turn defence into attack. Oh, that's out of play.
Zo'r. Krasny. Joyib Van der Slajiski ham.
He hangs his head as he marches back down the tunnel.
Nimaga bu?
This player will come off and a new one will take to the pitch.
Ikkinchi
Looks like
qizil
the
bu.
opposition are still trying to get back into the game.
Qattiq o'ynashga harakat qilamiz endi. Faqat
And he's given possession away in a dangerous place.
mana o'sha ideya globoydan qochib ketishni o'ylayman. Agar qochib ketadi desam zo'r bo'ladi.
Great team.
Bo'ydor futbolchilar uchun mana Gaspar.
Whipped in with pace.
Sahidiyon. Voy!
Keeps the header out.
Tezroq, tasha. Yetti futbolchi yo'q уже. Ketdi, yo'qurdik.
Minutes are flying by now. It's looking likely
Ketdi,
they'll win
qochib
this league game.
ketyapti.
Moving
Mana
down the flanks here.
ideya o'xshaydi, doim o'xshaydi bu
A
ideya.
golden chance.
Voy! Yo'q. Sallador ketib qoldi. Lekin bari gol. Gol.
Opponents can't come back from this.
Tyler Onyango.
Bringing him on was surely the
Dan
right
gol.
decision.
Moso Sahidiyondan assist. Chiroyli gol bo'ldi. 9ga mixlab qoldi kallaga.
It's with the
Onyango.
defender now.
Gaspar ikkita tomon yuguryapti.
It's a nasty.
Rabonni qanaqa barchasiga?
It's a yellow card. You have to be careful now.
Ular tarafga ishlayapti faqat.
There's 3 minutes to be added. Just time for a goal, perhaps. Is this a goal? And that's well over. It's full time. The referee draws this match to
Hammaga
a
rahmat.
close. And what a
Sog'
match
bo'linglar,
it's been.
salomat bo'linglar. Sizlar bilan Dilasa Akauchi edi.
True captain's performance today.
Sog' bo'linglar. Moso
Stood out from the
Sahidiyon o'yinning eng yaxshi futbolchisi. Xayr.